Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a ComfyUI tutorial. First, open your browser and download ComfyUI from its official source, then install it on your computer. Make sure all required files are extracted properly so the app can run without errors. Now launch ComfyUI and wait for it to open in your browser. This usually runs on a local address, so keep the tab open while working. Next, to install the manager, open your browser again and search for ComfyUI Manager GitHub, then open the official repository. Now download the manager files either by downloading the zip or copying the repository. After that, go to your ComfyUI installation folder and open the custom nodes folder. This is where all extra nodes and extensions are stored. Now paste or extract the manager files inside the custom nodes folder. Make sure the folder name is correct and not duplicated, otherwise it may not load. Then restart ComfyUI completely so the manager gets installed and appears in the interface. Once it opens again, you will see a manager button or section inside ComfyUI. Now click on Manager and go to Install Custom Nodes. This section lets you browse and install nodes directly without manual setup. Here you can search for any missing node by name. If your workflow shows errors, just copy the missing node name and paste it here. Then click Install and wait for it to download. The manager will automatically place the files in the correct location. After installing, restart ComfyUI again so the newly installed nodes load properly. Now open your workflow again. The missing nodes should now appear correctly and your workflow should run without errors. If some nodes still don't load, check the console or error messages because some nodes may require extra models or dependencies. Finally, go back to the Manager section regularly and update your nodes to avoid compatibility issues and keep everything running smoothly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.